This is going to be the unboxing of the CT80.4 Class A amplifier. When it came shipped, it came in that box and that box, so it came triple boxed and had little air package things in it. Get your big logo, your small logo, put that on your window so people can steal what you got inside. You got your manual for every CT series amp. We got the CT4. It does 80 watts at 4 ohm, 110 at 2 ohm, and 160 watts at 4 ohm bridged. That's all the specifications. High level screws. That's high level plug screws and 2 fuses. Thank you card. Styrofoam. It's wrapped up. I opened it already, but pretty small footprint. Let's see, this is a 6x9 by F150 for comparison. I mean, it's fairly small. Four gauge inputs for the power and ground. It looks about, I'd say about 12 gauge for maybe 10 gauge for the speaker. That's for your high level. Then you got your RCAs for low level, gain, bass boost, high frequency, low frequency. Then your selector switches, power protect.